Hi everybody, my name is Mo Morales and I'm here to help you make my brown sugar chicken. First you're going to need some honey, some brown sugar, some olive oil, some minced onions, some garlic powder, some dill, some cumin, turmeric, cilantro, olive oil. Hot sauce is optional. First we'll start by salt and peppering the chicken. Then we're going to move on to the other ingredients. Add a little bit of that cilantro, touch it up with a little cumin. These are all to your taste, whatever you want. Some turmeric, some dill, some garlic powder, some minced onions, some brown sugar. I forgot to mention you can add fresh rosemary and thyme, makes a big difference. Make sure you add that olive oil, some honey, and bring in that apple cider vinegar, and then stir completely to mix, thoroughly mixing it all together. And then once that's done, put it down, set it to the side by covering it with a little bit of aluminum foil. And then we're going to put it right in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour. The longer the better, but at least an hour, okay? Next, we're going to preheat our oven to 425 degrees. There you go. That's beautiful. Look at that. Ding. Then we're going to, take the chicken out of the refrigerator once it's ready. Layer it in the pot, in the pan. Make sure leave the fat on. It's gonna help during the baking process. Don't waste any of that little juicy juice. And look how good that looks. Then we're gonna make the timer for about 25 minutes. Your oven might be different, but you know how it goes. The picture's a little dark, but this is how it looks like when it first comes out of baking. Then we're gonna turn the broiler on. I'm gonna put my broiler on high, and then from there, we're gonna go to about 5 minutes. Keep an eye on it because everyone's broiler is different, and depending how high you have it, it could burn in those 5 minutes. So just keep an eye on it, and this is what you get: some delicious brown sugar chicken. Hope you enjoyed. Until the next time, be good. This is your Uncle Mo.